Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Sarah.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the best English podcast on the internet.
Yes, welcome back to the best English podcast on the internet.
Oh, Alex, you are so funny. I love it. Well, I try.
I am Sarah, and I am here with my wonderful co host.
I am Alex, and I am very happy to be here today.
Yes, we are both very happy today. It's a special day.
Special? Why is it special, Sarah?
Because our topic today is so important and so good.
Okay. Now I am very excited too.
But first, before we tell you the topic, please.
Please subscribe to our channel, Talk Sarah.
Yes, subscribe and click the like button and share our podcast.
It really helps us so much. You have no idea.
We make this podcast with a lot of love, and when you share it, it makes us very happy.
Very happy. Like a little child on a birthday.
Yes, exactly like that. Okay, Alex.
I am ready. Let's go.
Our topic today is talking about goals.
Oh, goals. I love this topic. This is a really good one.
Yes, goals, the things we want to do in life in the future.
It's something everyone has, but sometimes we don't talk about it enough.
Exactly. And today we will make it easy to talk about your goals in English.
So let's start, shall we?
But first, we have a little story for you today.
Oh, yes, I love the story part.
Me too. Okay, let me tell you the story of a girl named Mia.
Mia. Okay, I am listening.
Mia was 20 years old. She lived in a small city. She worked in a coffee shop every day.
A coffee shop. Okay.
Continuing, every morning, Mia woke up early, made coffee for many people, smiled at everyone.
She sounds like a very kind person.
She was very kind, very friendly, but Mia had a secret.
A secret? Oh no, what kind of secret?
Don't worry, it was a good secret. Every night before she slept,
Yes?
Mia opened a small notebook and she wrote down her goals, her dreams.
Oh, that is so beautiful.
She wrote, I want to learn to paint. I want to travel to Japan. I want to open my own cafe one day.
Big dreams, but beautiful dreams.
Yes, one day a new customer came to the coffee shop. His name was Leo.
Ooh, Leo, interesting.
Alex, stop it. Leo was just a nice person. He was a teacher.
Okay, a teacher. Go on.
Back to the story, Leo came every day, and every day Mia made his coffee. One day, Leo noticed the notebook.
The goal notebook?
Yes, he asked, What is that notebook? Mia was a little shy, but she smiled and said, It is my dream book. I write all my goals here because I believe if you write a goal, it becomes more real.
Wow, that is such a nice thing to say.
Leo smiled and he said, You are so right. I have goals too. I want to write a book. I want to run a marathon. I want to learn a new language.
They sound like us, talking about goals like this.
Yes, exactly. And from that day, Mia and Leo talked about their goals every morning over coffee.
And what happened? Did they achieve their goals?
1 year later, Mia started art classes. She took her first small step. And Leo, he started writing his book.
Wow, just 1 year because they talked about their goals.
Yes, talking about goals is powerful. When you say your goal out loud or write it down, you start to believe in it.
That is so true. And that is why our topic today is so important.
Exactly. And today, we will make it easy to talk about your goals in English.
So let's start, shall we?
Okay, so how do we talk about goals in English? Let's start simple.
I am ready. Let's practice together.
The first thing we say is, what is your goal? Or what do you want to do?
What is your goal? Okay, I can say that.
Yes, it's easy. So, Alex, tell me, what is your goal?
Let me think. My goal is to learn Spanish.
Oh, Spanish. Wonderful. Why do you want to learn Spanish?
Because I want to travel to Spain one day and talk to people there.
Perfect. You see, that is a great answer. My goal is to learn Spanish because I want to travel.
It was easy when you asked me like that.
Yes, goals are easier to talk about when someone asks.
Okay, now I ask you, Sarah, what is your goal?
Okay, my goal is to write a book.
A book? Wow, what kind of book?
A book about learning English for beginners to make it easy and fun.
That is a wonderful goal, Sarah. I believe you can do it.
Thank you, Alex. That means a lot.
So we have my goal is to and I want to. What else?
We can also say, I hope to. For example, I hope to travel the world one day.
I hope to. Okay, I hope to run a marathon this year.
A marathon? That is a big goal. Are you ready for that?
No, definitely not. But it is a goal.
Okay, a goal is a goal. We love it.
Okay, what else can we say?
We can say, I am working on. For example, I am working on improving my English.
Oh, that is very useful. I am working on. It shows you are already trying.
Exactly. It shows action, not just a dream, but real effort.
I am working on learning to cook because my cooking is very, very bad.
Alex, is it really that bad?
Yes, last week I made rice and it became glue.
Glue? Rice glue?
I don't know how, but yes, it was glue.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so your goal is very important then.
Very, very important.
Okay, let's also talk about short goals and long goals.
Oh, what is a short goal?
A short goal is something you want to do very soon, this week, this month, this year.
Like, my goal this week is to read one chapter of a book.
Perfect. Exactly. Small, clear, and soon.
And a long goal is something far, maybe in 5 years, 10 years.
Yes, like my long-term goal is to open my own school one day.
Oh, your own school. That is a big, beautiful dream, Sarah.
Yes, I love teaching, so that is my dream.
You know, talking about goals like this makes me feel motivated.
Me too. That's the power of talking about goals.
Okay, what about how do we talk about goals in a real conversation, like at a job or at school?
Great question. At a job interview, someone might ask, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Ah, yes, that is a very common question.
And you can say, in 5 years, I hope to be a team leader. I am working on improving my skills every day.
In 5 years, I want to have my own business. I am working on learning about marketing right now.
Beautiful. That is a perfect answer. Confident, clear, and positive.
Thank you. I practice in my head.
I can tell. Very good.
We can also ask someone, "What is your dream?" Or, "Do you have a big goal?"
Yes, those are friendly questions. People love to talk about their dreams.
It makes people feel seen and important.
Yes, exactly. Asking someone about their goals is a kind thing to do.
Okay, now let's practice together with some sentences.
Yes, I will say a sentence, and Alex will repeat after me, and our listeners can repeat too.
Ready? Let's go.
My goal is to speak English fluently.
My goal is to speak English fluently.
Perfect. Next one. I want to get a better job this year.
I want to get a better job this year.
Great. Next, I hope to travel to a new country soon.
I hope to travel to a new country soon.
Beautiful. And last one, I am working on being more confident.
I am working on being more confident.
Wonderful, Alex, and wonderful listeners too.
I hope everyone practiced with us.
Yes, practice out loud. It's very important. Don't just read in your head, say the words.
Yes, speaking out loud makes a big difference. Trust us.
And you know what helps a lot? Write your goal down, just like Mia in our story.
Ah, yes, Mia and her dream book. I loved that story.
Yeah, me too. It's a simple habit, but very powerful.
Write your goal, say it out loud, and take one small step.
That's it. That is all you need to do. Start with one small step.
I like that. One small step. Not a big jump, just one small step.
Yes, because big jumps are scary, but small steps anyone can do.
That is so true. Even I can do small steps. The running, I'm less sure about.
Alex and the marathon, we will never forget.
My legs hurt just thinking about it.
Okay, I think we have covered so much today.
Yes, we talked about how to say your goal, short goals and long goals, and how to talk about goals in real life.
And we learned beautiful sentences. My goal is, I want to, I hope to, I am working on.
Simple sentences, but very powerful.
And we don't have to say everything at once, just one or two goals is enough to start a beautiful conversation.
For example, "Hi, my name is Alex. My goal this year is to read more books, and I am working on waking up earlier."
Waking up earlier, is that a real goal, Alex?
A very real goal, and a very difficult one.
Okay, I believe you. I believe you.
And you, Sarah, give us your example.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. My long term goal is to help millions of people learn English, and my short goal is to be more patient every single day.
Wow, that is a beautiful goal, Sarah, and you're already doing the long one.
I hope so. We're trying together.
Together. I love that word.
Okay, everyone. I think our time today is coming to an end.
Already? It goes so fast when we're having fun.
It really does. Time flies when you are learning and laughing.
Yes, lots of laughing today. The rice glue, the marathon.
We will never let go of those. Never.
Please forget the rice.
Okay. So before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners a big favor
Please subscribe to our channel, Talk Sarah.
and give this episode a like, a big thumbs up. It helps so many people find us.
And share this podcast with your friends, your family, anyone who is learning English.
We put so much love into every episode, and your support means everything to us.
And now for our question of the day.
Yes. This is our favorite part.
Go to the comment section right now and write your goal.
You can write, my goal this year is, or I am working on, or I hope to.
It can be one sentence or two sentences. There is no wrong answer.
We want to read every single comment, and we will cheer for you.
Yes, your goals are important, and we believe in you.
Remember what Mia taught us. Write it down, say it out loud, and take one small step.
Write it, say it, take one small step.
We will be back very soon with another fun and helpful episode.
Until then, keep practicing, keep dreaming, and keep smiling.
Yes, smiling is very important.
Always.
Goodbye, everyone, from Talks Sarah.
Bye, everyone. Take care and good luck with your goals.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Sarah.
Bye, Alex.